Hello students, welcome back to Diksha Vedantu English for 9th and 10th. I am your chemistry master teacher Ankitha. Today we are going to discuss about formal letter under 15 minutes. Okay, so this is a very important topic in your grammar in the English part of your syllabus because this can yield full marks to you. Okay, you just need to know the format. You just need to use simple sentences to write letter. So what is the gist? Let's get started today. So formal letter based on a given situation, you need to write the letter. Before that, please do subscribe to the channel, okay, and turn on the notification button. And word limit 100 to 120 words. 1 out of 2 questions is to be answered. So they'll give you 2 questions. You need to pick one and answer that. And marks, 5 marks will be there, just like analytical paragraph. So it will carry 5 marks of weightage. So marking scheme will be for content, it will be 3 marks. Fluency of your language, 1 mark. Accuracy, 1 mark. So what is this accuracy? Accuracy is nothing but the format of the letter. So formal or official letters are written to editors of newspapers or heads of different departments or directors, principals or managers. Okay, so these are couple of official letters, formal letters. So what should be the format? The language should be very formal and assertive. Okay, you cannot be using informal words, informal sentences here. The language should be very formal, very respectful. First one, self address, sender's address. Okay, then you are going to mention the date and receiver's address, then subject, salutation and content. So we'll discuss all these things in detail. So content, refer to the previous communication or source of news or information. Okay, so the question will contain some of the data or pointers for you to write the letter. Status, so position or issue, analysis and reasons, suggestions or action required. So it completely based on the question that they will be asking. So closing, you will be using thanks, yours sincerely or truly, or yours obediently, signature and full name or rank if any. Okay, so rank means chief editor. If they are asking you to write as a chief editor or the manager or team lead, you have to mention the title there, you have to mention the rank there. So letter to editor topics, some useful language expressions. You can use these expressions while you're writing a letter to the editor. Okay, though the columns of your esteemed newspaper through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to bring to the notice of the concerned authorities. You can start like this. Okay, this is the body, not the subject. In my opinion, you can start like this. This is a very shocking or disturbing use of, if you are criticizing something. Next, CBSE sample paper 2020-21. See here, what's the question there? Your Tabasum of or Tarun, resident of Sthaya Nagar colony, Bhuvaneshwar, Orissa. You have noticed that some residents of your colony are repeatedly flouting quarantine rules laid out during the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. So some of the residents are breaking the rules. Okay, that's what's been given in the question. So you need to write a letter. Write a letter to the SHO of the local police station, drawing attention towards the same. Explain how such acts impact the health of the community and request immediate intervention and strict action. You can just use these sentences in your letter. You don't even have to look for other sentences or look for other words. You can use these itself. Okay. So points to be followed for scoring marks. What are the points that needs to be followed? Paragraphing recommended. So listing of points shall lead to deduction of 1 mark. So paragraph needs to be written. Okay. So rather than writing points, when you are writing science exam, chemistry, physics or biology, we advise you to make points. Okay, for better understanding or for better evaluation. But when you're writing letter, so avoid using points. Okay, so listing, paragraph is always recommended. And opening, using phrases like this is to draw your attention towards, I would like to draw your attention towards, etc. is always suggested. Okay. Next, complaint, use of linking words for sequencing, adding, etc. So what is that? If, when, and you can use that linking words. Appeal. So use of phrases like I earnestly hope, I earnestly hope, I would like to request. These can be used. Accuracy, grammar and spelling. You are writing a language paper, so you need to be mindful about grammar as well as spelling mistakes. Next, stating reasons for writing by explaining the situation followed by complaints. Okay, so minimum two, you need to mention two. And stating the impact, you have to state the impact, the consequences of something that will be mentioned in the question itself. So you can use that minimum two. Okay, so half mark will be allotted to this. And requesting need for action. You are requesting for a for you are requesting for them to take action, or you are requesting for them to respond to you as quickly as possible. So you need to ask that, requesting need for action. So how do we write it? So the question is given, Satyanagar colony, Bhuvaneshwar, Orissa. You don't have to use comma. So in CBSE, the pattern needs to be followed, which is that block pattern. Okay, you don't have to use comma anywhere. So 10 December 2020. This is how you are supposed to write the date. So leave a line after the address to this is from address. Okay, you don't have to write from, comma, you need not use it. So write the date and then to. Okay, the SHO police station, Bhuvaneshwar, Orissa. This is to address. Even here you are not writing commas and anything. Subject, residents repeatedly flouting quarantine rules. That's already been given in the question. How are you going to start? Respected sir. Okay, because this is a formal letter, you have to be respectful. Okay, I am Tabasum, a resident of Satyanagar colony, writing this letter to bring under your notice that residents of my colony are repeatedly flouting quarantine rules and regulations. Such situations may cause a lot of harm to the community, as most of the residents are elderly and other deceased patients. Okay, people are misreckoning the severity of this pandemic, are taking it lightly, thus not wearing mask and even going out during this lockdown period. Here they have used profound words, difficult words. You don't have to use difficult words, you can use simple words. Okay, you can write the letter in very simple words, you don't have to use fancy words. So it's a humble and kind request for you and your team to take strict actions and guide the people to help them understand the severity. Thanking you. You're sincerely Tabasum. You're sincerely Tabasum. Your signature and or your name. Okay. So CBSE sample paper 2020-21. You are Vaijayanti or Vijay from Prakasham Nagar, Secunderabad, Andhra Pradesh. Write a letter to Book Heavens 2 requesting home delivery of the books, stationery and art materials you had ordered telephonically. So you have called them and you have placed an order. Okay. So share the reason for being unable to pick up the goods in person. Confirm your address details and convenient time slot. So you need to mention the reason. So you have to be creative now. You have to come up with some reason, some random reason. Okay. And it should make sense. Random reason doesn't mean that it shouldn't make sense. Okay. So paragraphing recommended. Here listing of points shall lead to deduction of marks. Cool. And opening, using phrases like this is with reference to the order. Kindly refer to order. Okay, order number. So you need to start like this. And reason is using because, due to, since, etc. in the reason. And request, so use of kindly, I would be grateful, these could be used. Accuracy, grammar and spelling, this is very, very important. So reference to order placed telephonically for pickup in person. Inform about inability to pick up in person, provide reasons and forward request to deliver the goods at home. So these are the points for you to score really, really good marks. Okay, you can follow this pattern. You have to make sure that you are dividing your letter in a very good format, so that you mention everything, you include everything in a very short paragraph. So present details of suitable time slots, confirmation of address and phone number. So they have asked this in the question itself. You have to mention the time slot. Okay, it will carry some marks. Okay, half mark in this case. So let's write it. Prakshan Nagar, Sikandrabad, Andhra Pradesh, 10 December 2020. The manager, Book Heavens 2, Sikandrabad, Andhra Pradesh. Subject, request for home delivery of the products. You are going to, mention dear sir. Okay, because you have called him already. You know him. He is not a stranger. So this is in reference to the order placed telephonically on December 2020 for books, stationery and art materials. So you are mentioning the subject here. Okay. So you have mentioned the subject, requesting for home delivery. You are going on and on about it now. Okay. You are giving more details. I am sorry to inform you that I'll be unable to pick up my order in person on 15 December 2020 since I have to travel to Mumbai for few days to attend an urgent meeting. So you need to mention the reason. You be creative. Okay, you can even mention I have a very important family function to attend to. You can use that as well. Okay. I feel great sorrow that you will have to make extra effort to deliver my order. The person is being very, very humble now. He is requesting, he or she is requesting. Okay. So I request you to kindly deliver my order at the address mentioned above. So the address is also already mentioned. So you don't have to write again and again. You can be smart here. Okay. This is smart work. Rather mentioning the address again here. So they are saying that. So address is already mentioned above. So I am ready to pay the transportation charges. So you have to offer them that you will be paying the transportation charges. My parents will be present at the above address to receive the order. You are giving more information. You can deliver the order anytime between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. They have already mentioned that you need to give them the time slot. It will carry some marks. Okay. So I will be highly grateful to you for the extra effort. So thank you. Yours truly, Vaijayanti. That's it. Okay. So this is how we write it. So this is the format overall. We have discussed two letters. Okay. So this is the format. Sender's address. You don't have to write it. Write sender's address, but you can just start writing the address. Okay. From, and we'll write the date. Receiver's address will write it. You don't have to use commas. And subject, you will write the subject. You will be salutation needs to be there, and body of the letter. Okay. And then you have to thank them. Okay. And you have to mention complimentary closing like yours faithfully, yours obediently, any of those things. So signature and name in block letters, in capital letters. So this is the format that you need to follow to write the letter. So this is all. Okay. So we have discussed letter writing under 15 minutes. This is super, super important. And also please do click on the link that will be in the description to download the notes of this, so that it will be very useful for you to refer to the notes and use those sentences, use the format in the exam. Okay. All the best for your exam, and I'll come up with a very interesting video next time. Okay. Until then, so all the best and study well. Bye bye.